Hey guys, how's it going? It's Aiden here, and today I'm just going to be showing you some of the stuff that I'm bringing to college, some of the stuff around my town that I'm going to be missing when I go to college. We've got a fun day planned ahead of us. It's going to be a good vlog, so let's get right into it. It is actually insanely hot out today, but I'm just going to show you guys around my town a little bit on my electric skateboard. I don't know for how long, because I'm already dying. I'm actually going back because my friend Lincoln's meeting up with me, so I'm gonna go meet him here now. Hey! First day, how's it feeling?
Decent.
So this is actually just a shortcut between where I'm trying to go, but it's got really smooth roads, so it's a great place for Lincoln to learn how to skate a little better, and it's a great place for me to carve a little, so yeah.
Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back to me. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back to me.
It is so hot. I'm just trying to run up and show you guys the beach really quick. It's probably like 90, but that's Florida for you.
There'll still be your song, and you don't worry about a thing. I'm still traveling alone. Oh, baby, when I...
It's actually a pretty nice day out here, but I left Lincoln over there just because I want to get over here really quick because we still have to go to the gym today. Just a quick little beach visit. But yeah, that's the beach I actually lifeguard at, so back we go. I just had my first person that I know see me while I'm vlogging. So this is my first one I've ever made. And it was so weird to say, like, I'm out here vlogging. I don't know. It's just weird to say. Does anyone else make videos and experience that as well? I don't know. We're about to meet up back with Lincoln. Here he is right here. Oh my,
and then 30 seconds later, I fell when my ankle did the yointy spointy.
Alright, well, now you're a better skateboarder. Hey, buddy. You got dirty, man. Alright guys, now that I'm back home, I just want to go through with you guys some of the stuff that I'm bringing with me to college. It might be helpful for other freshmen or maybe even people next year. I hope you stick around, and yeah, let's go through it. So starting off the list, I've got a laptop. I think every college student kind of assumes they need a laptop. The laptop I have is an HP. It's got pretty good specs. I could go into detail, but I could do that in a different video. Next up on the list, I've got this rolling garment rack. I got it from Walmart in case you're looking to get the same one. But basically, you can put your shoes on the bottom rack, hang clothes on the top. Super convenient, very portable, and I'm just gonna build it when I get there. Next, I've got this foam mattress topper. I think every college student should invest in these because you don't know what your beds are gonna be like when you get there. They could be rock hard and okay, your beds could be very firm, so you should definitely get a mattress topper. I'm gonna leave it at that. Another thing I got over here is a rug. This is kind of heavy, but yeah, I've got this like navy blue rug. I think it'll look pretty good, and I'm just gonna have it next to my bed. So that's kind of a personal choice, but I think it's good to have. Next, I've kind of got a necessity that the camera's sitting on, so let me flip this around for you. A stainless steel mini fridge. Obviously, where are you gonna keep your food? You need food. And on top of that note, my roommate has a microwave they're bringing, so definitely bring a microwave as well. And these big tote bags are a lifesaver because I'm just gonna throw everything in here. Definitely invest in either these or IKEA bags, I'd say. All right, next time I'm gonna be going over clothes. I don't wanna bore you too much because I have like way too much clothes to go through individually, but I'm just gonna sum up how much of each type of clothing article I have, if that makes sense. All right, here we go, let's make this quick. 25 t-shirts, 5 tank tops, 5 athletic shirts, 5 pairs of shoes, 1 dress shirt, just for those fancier nights, 4 hoodies, 4 hats, 4 pairs of long pants, 20 pairs of shorts, 15 pairs of socks, 20 pairs of underwear, 5 long sleeve shirts, And yeah, that about rounds up the clothes that I'm bringing. I'm gonna miss something, but hopefully I didn't. Aside from that, it's all just materialistic stuff, so I'm just gonna run through some of that. Electric longboard, always gotta have a helmet. Gotta have my Yeti for that cold gym water. Bluetooth speaker. Don't forget your headphones. Oh man, I almost found my deodorant. Yeah, don't forget that. I'm gonna be bringing my desktop PC that I made and my 2 monitors as well. I'd recommend bringing a chair because the chairs there are just gonna be wooden pieces of planks and it's not gonna be comfortable. We've got the camera bag, but I'm actually not gonna be bringing that because I got a new bag just now in the mail. So let's go through it. Make sure you at least get a bag that can hold your laptop, but this bag can hold both my camera in this pocket, and then it's got a separate pocket for my laptop, like so. Alright everyone, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and the college stuff helped you in some way, shape, or form. My next vlog is going to be me moving into college, which is in 6 days now. So yeah, stick around for that. Subscribe below if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.